Ever wonder what happens if you sneeze with your eyes open? Some people think your eyeballs might just pop out, but let's set the record straight. Your eyes are anchored in place by strong muscles and connective tissues, so they're not going anywhere during a sneeze. In fact, your body has a built-in reflex that automatically shuts your eyes when you sneeze. It's like a protective mechanism. Interestingly, there are rare cases where people with nerve damage have managed to sneeze with their eyes open. And guess what? Their eyes stay right where they belong. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, relax. Your eyes are safe and sound. Have you ever tried sneezing with your eyes open?